Mido Multi-Fort Quick Reparation. Spoiler alert. It is just a quick restoration to see what is happening in principle. Yet for the whole reparation, you have to dismount the watch completely and work on each part separately. Firstly, I take a rubber attachment with diamonds for polishing. Then I change it for rubber-only attachment. Later, I take a polishing paste and apply it on felt circle. And polish. Now we see it shining. I start the cleaning with wet napkin. For some parts which don't go away, I use a wooden stick. Then I use alcohol to clean. Next, I change the crystal. It's important to measure crystal size prior to disassembly. Why haven't I disassembled the watch before the polishing? Well, in the beginning, I didn't think I had an appropriate crystal, so I thought to do it faster as it is a quick test. I open the case, take out the movement, press out the crystal. Put new crystal in. Here I don't use glue. Clean the case and put the movement back. Close the case. Meanwhile, I have already ordered the winding stem. Follow to see the watch working again.